I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Begin now, unlock with Face ID or Touch, and hold your iPhone steady so gestures register. You should rest one finger near the bottom edge for home bar gestures. Swipe up firmly to go home. Once done, use a single thumb swipe from the top right corner to open Control Center on Face ID models. Make sure to start each motion decisively. Short, hesitant swipes often fail. If you have a case, confirm it does not obstruct the edge where you swipe. Now move into the core interactions you will use every day. You can use 3 fingers to select and manipulate text. Tap with 3 fingers to copy, pinch to paste, and drag to move a selection. This is faster than menu hunting. To switch apps, swipe up and hold, then swipe left or right through open apps and tap the one you want. For maps and photos, pinch with 2 fingers to zoom and rotate with 2 fingers when the app permits. This gives precision you cannot get with single swipes. Finish by closing or customizing gestures so your phone behaves predictably. Swipe up in the app switcher to force close misbehaving apps, then relaunch. That often clears temporary glitches. If you prefer alternatives, go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, and enable Assistive Touch for custom gestures and a floating control. Make sure to map shortcuts you use most. If gestures stop responding, clean the screen and remove any wet or oily residue. Reboot the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.